What's up, traders? Hope you guys are doing well. Zach from the Trading Network here, coming at you guys with another quick scalping video and breakdown of this trade. This trade is an opportunity zone trade, as some of you might be familiar with. The opportunity zone is my trending strategy, and this is a trade on NQ futures that I took just a little bit ago, actually, after we broke down from the Fibonacci pivot. We broke yesterday's range low, and we also broke yesterday's overnight low as well, which you can see labeled there at 14,051. So my idea was that we were likely to get at least downside continuation for a retest and a rejection of that opportunity zone if we could not break back above the overnight low. So what I did here was I got short in the opportunity zone, and you can see I even entered a tiny bit early. I could have waited just a little bit longer to get a slightly more ideal entry, but nonetheless a really nice trade setup that I will try my very best to take every time I see it, as I like to say, when I'm seeing my high probability trade opportunity present itself. So you can see it's pretty short and sweet. I got short in the opportunity zone with a stop above the overnight low at 14,053.75 is where my stop is. So I am risking about 12 points, and I am looking to make about 14 points. So, you know, a little over a one-to-one trade here. And although I did take some heat on this trade, as you usually will in a trending environment because price has to breathe a little bit, the trade idea never got invalidated. We were never able to get above that overnight low on NQ. And as we will see here relatively shortly, price continues to, you know, work around my entry, kind of put me in a little bit of profit, put me in a little bit of drawdown. You know, we had a pretty fierce pop up right there. You can see price, you know, I was like $400 or $500 in profit. Then price popped up pretty quickly and retested that entry area, retested that previous high. You can see on the right side over here, I am looking at the 1,000 tick chart, and we were not even able to get into the 1,000 tick opportunity zone, and we got met with selling pressure right at the 1,000 tick 21, which is that yellow EMA on the chart there. So moving, you know, into the finalizing moments of this trade, you can see that this is an interesting setup because the oscillators right here look like they are trying to reset on the 377, right? They've come all the way down and they look like momentum is shifting to the upside. But the main thing that is keeping me in this trade is that we have not been able to push up and make higher highs, and more importantly, push above the overnight low, which is the line in the sand for this trade, if you will. So that stop loss that I have here is an invalidation point. If price moves up there, my trade idea is invalid, and we are very likely to move back up to, you know, the opening range or pivot point area. So we start to reject. You can see the oscillators, the fast oscillators, the red and the orange ones, they start to curl over and reject using the slower oscillators as resistance, okay? So when this happens, you can see that the momentum very, very quickly continues to the downside, moves right into my take profit, and that is pretty much that for that trade idea. So just to reiterate here, it was a short opportunity. The short trade was inside of the op zone. I was using the overnight low as my level of protection and my level of invalidation, and I was using the prior low as protection. So I hope this is informative. I hope this is helpful for you guys to see how I'm trading, how I'm thinking about price action when I'm in my trades, and how confident I am in my edge when I see a high probability trade setup present itself. So if you guys are interested in learning more about the tools that I used in this video, the opportunity zone, the momentum oscillators, etc., if you are interested in learning more about watching me trade, this trade took place live in our Discord. All of our members who were in the live stream at the time that I took this trade were able to watch me take this trade, sit in this trade, talk it out in real time, just like I talked it out with you guys here in this video. And in addition to, you know, our Discord, you guys can, of course, check out the Fundamentals of Futures Trading course, which is our comprehensive course where I go over the opportunity zone being one of my strategies, as well as the momentum flip, which is my ranging strategy. More info about all of these things can be found down below at our website, thetradingnetwork.io, and you guys are also more than welcome and encouraged to reach out to me on Discord, Facebook, Instagram, email, or in the comments here down below with any questions that you have about the setup, about any of our products, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you so much for your interest. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you guys in the next video.